Hey guys, it's Amber from the Honeybee Rush channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make soap slime with hand soap. So there's only one hand soap that I've tried so many different hand soaps, and almost none of them work. It's really annoying. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this Trader Joe's Pink Pomelo hand soap. None of the other scents will work. I've actually tried all of them. So I just have a small container right here, and I just made slime in this, so that's why it's dirty. And yeah, so what you're going to do is you're going to pump in however much slime you want, do that much soap. So I want like this much slime. Now I'm just going to mix it around, just get it all mixed up together. And then what you're going to do, oh, sorry guys, I'm kind of messy. So I'm just going to hold this, and as of now, I'm just going to put like the tiniest bit of salt, as little as I can. Okay, so this did kind of work. I feel like I could use a few more grains of salt, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's put a tiny bit more salt. I'm just going to put in my hand a few grains of salt, like, literally, I just put this much salt. I don't even know if you guys can see it. I think you can. Yeah. Put in all that salt. And mix away! So this is what it ended up looking like. Here, my lighting is really bad. I'll take it out and show you guys. Oh god, yeah, this worked. Just putting this into my other bowl and getting out the batch that I did before that one. The spice that I did before that one worked better. I was trying this multiple times to see if it would fail, and it didn't. So I'm going to make another video in a few days, and that is when I will show you guys what this looks like after being refrigerated for like 2 to 3 days to a week, or just until it gets clear, really. Because this is clear soap, and it will get clear. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!